step back, Katie. Step back, he's coming. Step back and then to the side.
Throw that one low, buddy. Get out of there, side to side. Side to side. Don't reach.
Yeah. Punch, back out and look. Punch, relax. Punch and look. Dance. And just change your angle.
One up top, one down.
After you land one, get out and move to a different side and then come in and land another one.
Don't reach on him, buddy.
Good movement, Katie. Okay? Katie, I want you to step after you duck. Step to the side as you're coming up.
Double that one up, Johnny.
Get some jabs out there.
There you go. Good.
And then step up.
One, one. One, one, one.
Jab.
One, one. One low.
Hands up. Hands up, Katie.
Back up, Johnny.
Hands up, Katie. Step around.
One low now. One low. Quick, quick. Up top. Low.
Okay, put that jab out there. Double up on that jab, Katie.
Take a step back. Hit him. Double jab. Step back. Step back. One again.
Put that jab out there, Katie. Just stick it out there. He's not going to want to run.
One low, one high.
Start sticking it out there now. Measure him up.
Low. Go low. Go low. Up top. Up top. Back up. Step back now.
No, stay with that one. You can't throw that other punch at it. Keep that jab going. And you stand the right way. Stand. Turn the other way.
Turn the other way.
Up.
Step back now. Step back now.
Go 10 more seconds. Keep your hands up.
Chin down, Johnny.
Good. Keep your hands up, Katie. Katie. Stand the other way. You're trying to win now. Okay? Don't try to win.
Step back, Johnny.
Hands up, Katie.
Good stuff.
You're doing good. You're doing good. This is what I want you to do. Come here.